are here at ASAP's 2019 in New Orleans, and I'm here with Nick with Friendmedia, and we're going to learn a little bit more about what you guys do.
Great.
So go ahead, take it away.
Yeah, thanks, Jason. My name is Nick Magruder. I'm the CEO of Friendmedia. We have really set out to fix the patient engagement and patient education bottleneck inside of medical practices.
Okay.
So essentially what we're doing is providing something similar to like an Amazon Fire Stick. We're doing a TV takeover in the office where we connect to the TV, powered up to the Wi-Fi, and then our providers have access to this very elegant dashboard where we have all this industry content. Providers are allowed to upload and manage their own content. So the idea is that our providers can really help tell their story versus playing traditional television or Judge Judy or the local news.
Interesting. So when there's patients in there, they're in the waiting room, rather than them just putting mindless TV shows or something on there,
Right.
You can actually feed in marketing through there.
This
right?
is correct, yeah. So what we know about this industry, specifically for aesthetic providers, the average wait time is about 19 minutes.
Whoa.
You have a very targeted consumer that is eager to learn more about aesthetic provider or the aesthetic provider, and then the services that they have.
Mm-hmm.
And our providers tell us even their most loyal patients really only know about 20% of what they do. So we can
I did not
feed
know that.
really nice, captivating, intriguing content, and our goal is really just to start the conversation at the point of care.
And it's funny because that's most of the time patients aren't thinking about it thinking about whatever the procedures are outside of the waiting room. That's when it's fresh in their mind,
Correct.
or most
Yes.
heavy on their mind.
A little
I guess,
bit of
if you will.
anxiety and excitement and all those things, and there's a thirst for good quality educational content.
That's awesome. So I think you kind of touched on it, but what are doctors currently doing for in practice marketing like that?
Sure. Yeah. If you walk into
office.
an average, plastic surgery office, aesthetic dermatology, medical spa, you see a variety of things. In general, the industry is a little far behind. We still have tons of patient trifold brochures and banner stands. None of these things really are very intriguing. Patients have to get up and pick out a brochure or a pamphlet and do the reading on their own.
And then it goes in the trash half
and
the
then
time.
It's trash, or the floorboard of the car, or the bottom of the purse is usually where these things find it. So if we can kind of transition that into a digital format and feed it through their existing TVs, we have something that's more in line with this, with what this consumer is used to consuming, and video and digital content.
And you're saving the planet.
We save the planet. Yes, we could go into several
friendly.
more stats on how we can turn this into more of a green environment as well.
That's awesome. Speaking of stats, have you had any good results with any practices that you've tested it out with?
Yeah, from a data standpoint, really we can point to two things that we've seen. So one, in 2018, we partnered with a company called the Hydrofacial
Yeah,
company.
I think we all know.
So Hydrofacial brought us in to really help educate these consumers at the point of care. We shipped out to 500 locations. About 250 opted in. They participated. They took over the TV, or we took over the TV. We started pumping a bunch of Hydrofacial content as well as their own. And then we followed these two groups, the 250 that opted in versus opted out, for 10 months. The data came back from Hydrofacial that these new providers launching Hydrofacial in the practice with Friendmedia are averaging 53% more treatments per month.
Wow, that's a polarizing statistic.
So us and Hydrofacial, we both got very excited about this. Frankly, I didn't know if we thought the numbers would be that great, but it's very simple. It's delivering the right content to the right patient at the right time.
That's awesome. Do you guys have any other announcements, any things you're working on, partnerships?
A couple others. So actually yesterday we announced a formal agreement in partnership with Candela.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll be helping them with their Profound platform, V-Beam, UltraShape. So really, same thing. Working on the patient engagement platform. We've been working with the likes of BTL and Cutera, and we actually just this is kind of new news, but we're just formalizing an agreement with Nutrafol, which is a new nutraceutical for hair growth, which is very exciting.
That's really exciting. Yeah. That's awesome. Well, thanks so much for sitting down and sharing a little bit about Friend Media.
Enjoyed it.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.